to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have the Xpluswear Halloween edition bunch of clothes for you guys. So we have a bunch of costumes. There is a whole pile in here, and Halloween is coming. I know they're going to be having a Halloween sale. I've got a huge haul. I think these are all in a 2XL, and I'm excited to try them. I've got a bunch of capes from there, which I am obsessed with. I've got this one here, and like, oh, it's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. So wanted to get some Halloween stuff, so very excited. So let's kind of open it up and try some stuff on and see how we feel about it. This one here is this is a white dress hood thing. This is really cute actually. Like, this would be nice, like white boots. I feel like you couldn't have anything see-through underneath, but let's try it on. I feel like this is good, but without the like this, I don't think that's right. Like, you can see it is quite short, that being my butt, but I like these. These are really cute. I think this would be really cute with some like black tights. Like, she's a ghost, you can obviously tell I'm a ghost. I think it's really cute. I like it. Like, what do you guys think? Ooh. I like it. It's cute. It's cute. I wanted to put this on with my Sabrina Carpenter boots, and they are literally perfect. Like, why do I think I'll wear this to Halloween? Because like, this is freaking cute. Again, this is a sleigh. This is really cute. I love the shortness of it too. She's giving, like, with the white pumps. Like, I love the mesh sleeves, like the mesh detailing. It's really cute. I really love this outfit. But see, like, you can see how short it is there. But I think it's really adorable. I like it. I like what we have so far. So, cap. This one feels quite hard. I don't know what this is. I can't remember what kind of stuff I picked. I just got a whole bunch of stuff. I think I ordered a spider costume. I don't know if this is like I don't know what this is. Okay. I'm pretty sure I got a spider outfit. And this would make sense if this was the spider outfit. I feel like this is some kind of contraption. That is a skirt. Let's put it on. Let's try and make peace of it, and let's make something. I think this might be a bat. I don't know. It's a lot. This like straps onto the arms. I'm not really sure how it like kind of works out. I mean, without this thing, this is a sleigh outfit. Like, this outfit, this is confusing. But this outfit here, this is a sleigh as like a bat. She's giving wings. Like, look at that. She's cute. Sexy side split. Like, she's cute. This one here has like sleeve bits, which I think like you'd go up your arm. I'm assuming over here. Oh, I've just realized that my strapless bra is showing. That's okay. And then I think like this, so kind of like the ghost top, like this. Do you see? Do you see? Like, I need to like show it from back here. So a lot of straps, a lot of things coming out. It doesn't fit me, but I get the vision, and it would be cute if I wasn't this short, because it is cool with the tassels and everything. This is a lot. The top is a lot. It's not enough at the same time, but it could be that I just got the wrong size. If I got the size smaller, it could work. But this. Hopefully I'm wearing it right. I don't know. She cute. Just so we can see my point of view, because I don't know if I get the whole fit. From there, it's like this. And then the sleevey things along here. It's not actually bad material. It's just like a nice kind of like fabric. But yeah, she's a sleigh. I do actually like this. This is really cute. I also got this because I thought this would be fun. It's a nice like maxi. I feel like I could literally just wear this in, like, look at the side split. There's not one on that side, but there's a side split there. She's cute. I feel like I could just wear this in October, but it wouldn't be cute. It's kind of like cheaper material though, but it's not too bad. But she's cute. I also got like tights, which I thought you could wear underneath this if you didn't want to show off some leg. So I've got some tights as well. So we'll just see like the kind of quality of those. Okay. Wait, no, these are gloves. These are gloves. Okay, yeah. So I did get gloves because this didn't have. That's right. I was like, I knew I got things, because I was like, this is weird if I don't have it all, if I was wearing it for Halloween. Like, I wanted this to be a whole outfit, So I did get all the accessories, so you can see the accessories on. Okay, and then what else is in this bag? There is, I think this is this a hat? Shoulders? Yeah. Oh, this is part of the dress, actually. Is it like one of those booby ones? Is this part of the dress? Yeah, I think this was in the same. Okay. Oh, that's way better. I like that. I can't remember because I like got all this stuff ages ago. But that's cute. Okay, that kind of makes it a bit more of a pizzazz up there. We have the gloves. I do have tights also, which I think are like, are they single or, oh yeah, they are single ones. So we can put these on too. We can be a full skeleton. I was like, what accessories go with the skeleton? Twist them around. Oh, we got bent bones here. Oh my god, the feet bones are not even in the right spot. Look at that. That looks crazy. Because they're just bent. I mean, the tights. I don't even know if you guys can see the tights. Hang on. Let me do this and then let me adjust my thing so you can see these tights because they are rolling down my leg. Now they are. Oh god. I feel like these tights are a fail. But I feel the vision. I feel the vision. Oh, can you see? I also have this hat, which I wanted to get because I was like, oh, it's really cute. Like this mask thing. And I feel like that would go with this. So I'm going to put it on. Oh, it's like all silicone. Oh, and I think, do these light up? I don't know. I feel like this is terrifying. Whoa. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of a sleigh. Kind of terrifying. But it works. Alright, we are malificent now with a skull situation. Alright, so here you can see this. I know that was probably bad quality before I couldn't see my tripod. We have the hand gloves. These are rolling down. Look at the feet. The feet are bad. It is bad. But the dress itself, like this is cool with this. I think definitely with the gloves gives it pizzazz. And the gloves are on both sides, so that's like nice quality too. They're real chill. Look at that. Sleigh bells ring. This is cute. I have one more outfit and it's very cute and I'm excited. I'm excited to try it on. Let's go. I don't know if this works with a fringe. Well, if I put my fringe up in it. I can't tell if this is the most stunning thing or the most unflattering thing I've ever put on my fucking... This one is cute. This is a vibe. I like it. It's not actually that bad at comfortability wise. I wonder if I could get this all the way down to like my ankles. And like, oh, I could fully have this at my ankles. You can't see, but like, let me twist this round. Oh my god, it blows up too, bro. I don't know how it blows up. I think I need to get an air compressor to blow this up, but this is the most fucking stupid thing to put on. This is so fun. I can't get it like past my legs, so it literally is going to be like diaper vibes all night. So if I get sweaty, it's just gonna freaking drip. But there is, I haven't zipped it up because that's such a hard thing to do by myself. There is a pump in here. In the ass, there's a pump, so I can pump this up, and I got my little armholes and my little hat and live love love vibes. This is freaking hilarious. I love this. Want to be a pumpkin for Halloween 1005%. This is the outfit I'm wearing. I don't even care. This is me. This with some docs. Like, she's vibing. She's cute. What the f— it does come with something so you can blow it up. My favorite outfits is probably this pumpkin. The ghost one, I'm obsessed with it, and I love the, like, the hand thingies. This actually looks better without the hat, and I feel like you don't need a hat because you have these. This is, like, kind of a sleigh, though, because you could, like, pregnant in this, and no one would even know. You're just like, sleigh, prigs, sleigh. So thanks, Xpluswear, for sending this stuff for me. I'm obsessed. What are you guys saying? What was your favorite? List it in the comments down below. I also put a link to their page so you can buy these yourself. They cater to a lot of plus size sizes, which is amazing because you cannot find dumb shit like this ever in my size. So thank you so much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Bye bye.